What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at a couple of cases that were sent out to me by a company called Nimbus 9, and these cases are for your Samsung Galaxy S20. So big shout out to them for sending these out. This is the S20. This is the regular S20 that I picked up here, and as you guys can see, I got it in that blue color here, cloud blue. And this is a beauty, no doubt about it. So a couple of cases here. I will leave the link in the description where you can pick these up. But I have worked with Nimbus 9 before, and these are some great cases that I use all the time with my devices. So this has the 10 feet drop, military drop protection here, multi-pillar protection. These are the Phantom 2 series right here. So for your Samsung Galaxy S20 5G, ultimate protection. So here's some more specs on the back of it here. The clearly tough case, surprisingly slim, unbelievably strong, multi-pillar protection with Flex Night, certified 10 feet drop tested, 3D hexa pattern, protects against drops and shocks. And with these Nimbus 9 cases, for every purchase of this product, a meal is donated to an orphan in need. So that is a good cause there. You can also customize your buttons there. They have an extra set of Realsense buttons included, and the raised edges for your protection there. So let's get into this one. This is a blue color. I was trying to find exactly what they call it, but I don't see it on there. Whew, that's nice. This is a blue one. They always have nice packaging here, easy to access, and that is it in the packaging. So the first thing you get here, these are your buttons. Wow, check that out. So these are blue buttons that I can take out if I don't want the silver color buttons there. So you can see those are dope as well. So I'm going to see which ones I like better, but you do get a pamphlet here telling you how to apply the case and how to change out your buttons there. And there's the hero's heart right there. So this is a nice case. You see that hector pattern on the inside of it, and just beautiful, man. So let's pop it on the blue and blue here. So this is going to be a dope combination, and I do like that already. You really can't see your color, but you can see it. If that makes sense, maybe it doesn't. But you got the Nimbus 9 logo here on this side. As you can see, those silver buttons there, chrome plated, chrome looking. Your volume up and down and power. Do have a cutout for your camera. It has a black border going around it. It is countersunk, so you don't have to worry about your camera getting scratched. You can see that drop protection in there. Nice pattern, looks dope. The bottom of it, as you can see, got your mic hole, your charging port, and your speaker. And these corners look good. This side, at the top, you got your cutout for your mic. So this is a dope looking case. I really, really do love this case here. On this device, it is dope, as you guys can see. Very nice, and then you do have your lay down drop protection right there. And we're gonna go ahead and pop these buttons out and change them out. Well, I'm gonna do it, I'll do it on this case over here. So that is the first one. That is the blue color. So let's go ahead and check out the next color. So this looks like a clear case here. It's not on here, the color of these, but I'm gonna call this clear. You guys can see another nice packaging here. I do like how they have this where it's easy access. So you just pull this out, get your case out, and it's going to have the same exact thing. These are the same Phantom 2 cases. And so here's the case, very nice looking. Get your same material there. And here it is, you got that hex in there. And this one does have the silver buttons there. We're going to go ahead and change these buttons out. Let's see what color we got here. Oh snap. So these are the white buttons as well. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and change these out. So I think you push these out from the inside, like so. Very easy to pop out, as you guys can see. And just pop this other one out, like so. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in from the outside, just like so. Very easy, guys. Even with a guy with a bad thumb. As you hear, snapped in place. So there are the blue ones. And this should look pretty dope on this blue phone here. So let's snap the phone in there. And there it is. You can see that blue, dark blue, along with the light color blue. Yeah, you can definitely see the color of your device with this case here. Like how you have your chrome going around the outside of it, still visible. So this may be my favorite one here, guys. But that is beautiful, as you guys can see. So let's check the buttons, see how they work. So nice and tactile, as you guys can hear. There's the power button. And it's unlocked just that quick. So yeah, these are some beautiful cases from Nimbus 9. I will definitely leave the link in the description where you guys can pick these up if you want to pick them up. But yeah, man, got some more cases coming, more reviews. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Will H.